Summer is upon us, and it's already unlike any summer we've known. As some parts of the planet gradually reopen, the situation in Wuhan offers some insight into what a safe exit could look like. It also reminds us to stay cautious and continue testing. About 100 days ago, Wuhan became the first city in the world to shut down to contain the spread of the coronavirus. After that lockdown was lifted on April 8th, life began to slowly return. Industrial production in Wuhan has started up again. In fact, over 98% of large enterprises there have resumed production. And while there is a gradual and cautious reopening, Wuhan has left many safety measures in place just in case. The city now has 53 institutes certified for coronavirus testing that can carry out 40,000 tests a day. Blood tests for antibodies and CT scans are also used as diagnosis references to identify anyone displaying abnormal symptoms. People are being required to get tested before returning to work. They can get a test result within the same day. For restaurants, malls, and other commercial businesses, thorough disinfection is mandatory before anyone can come in. When entering residential communities, you have to show your mobile phone app and your color. Red, green, and yellow indicate different risk infection levels, and after a nationwide database is set up, health codes on Chinese apps such as Alipay and WeChat could serve as an access pass or identification right around the country. Passengers on public transport are also subject to strict measures. All commuters must keep 1 meter apart, wear face masks and have their temperatures taken. Passengers board and disembark from different doors, and an empty seat must be left vacant between two people. Hospitals in Wuhan have also resumed regular service, while community health centers are taking on more patients to avoid large gatherings at public hospitals. The Lenovo factory in Wuhan is operating at full speed. Workers there have their temperatures taken every 4 hours. The factory has even applied a database health management system to track the health of workers and ensure others don't get sick. Other Chinese cities outside of Wuhan have also lifted their lockdowns. While most of China was at a standstill, a few companies found ways to work around the pandemic, like Fujifilm Imaging System in Suzhou, which set up plastic partitions to separate their workers. Another example, the Beijing site of Dianping.com created digital tags like Open Today, Dining In, or Safe Restaurant in order to let people know which dining venues were safe to visit. Over in Shanghai, commercial producer Gen Robotics developed new robots for health and medical services, and they built special robots for patrolling stores, hospitals, and residential communities. Because the future is uncertain, millions of people will continue wearing masks and maintain the prevention measures they're now getting used to. Wuhan has seen a handful of new cases since its reopening, which has prompted the city to test all of its 11 million people in what is the world's biggest mass testing for the new virus. Reopening will likely unfold over a series of careful steps, and with tightening and loosening, this is what the world could look like for many more months at least. I'm James Chow, and this is the China Current. The China Current continues its special coverage on the coronavirus outbreak. Go to our social media at the China Current and our website for interviews, videos, and podcasts. I'm James Chow. Thank you.